Tyler, you are not asleep, you little faker. You're a little faker. That's what I thought. Hello, everybody. Hi. Make sure you have paper and pencil. Make sure you have paper and pencil. If you just joined, make sure you have paper and pencil. Tyler's ready. Aaliyah looks ready. All right, Kaylee? Kaylee, what you need? You okay?
My just want a pencil.
Um, is your mom there? Can you ask her?
Mm-mm.
Do you have a crayon or a marker? If you can't find one, it's okay. Just follow along with us.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, make sure you have that paper and pencil. We're going to get started in just a second. All right. All right, here's our word problem. All right, are we ready? I'm not ready. I don't have anything to write with yet. Okay. Now I'm ready. All right, there are 10 swings on the playground, and 7 students are using the swings. How many swings are empty? All right, so there's 7 swings on a playground, or 10. Now, it would be really nice if we got to draw this elaborate, detailed picture, but remember, this is math, so we don't want to draw all that. So we're just going to draw circles. Show me with your fingers. How many swings are there on the playground? What did it tell us? Yes. You can always count on certain people. Yes, 10 swings. Jeez. So I'm going to draw 10 circles. Here's my paper. 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it's very blurry. 10 swings, right? And then it tells us 7 students are using the swing. So how many? Thank you, Lauren. How many are being used? 7. So this is what I'm going to do. I have been just like coloring them in, but instead I'm going to cross 7 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh. We got to make our number sentence. All right, tell me, what we start with? How many wings did we start with? 10. Was 10 our whole or our part? Whole? Give me a thumbs up if you think whole. Or was it part? Yeah, it was our whole. It was our whole because we didn't have more than 10. We only had 10. 10 is the biggest number we've dealt with. 10 is our whole. That's how many swings were there, right? They didn't get rid of any swings. They didn't add any swings. There were 10 swings. But it did tell us 7 of them were being used, and this is our mystery number. Well, I do believe we just discovered our mystery number. What was it? Show me with those fingers. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. So bye-bye, mystery. You're not a mystery anymore. We know. 3 are empty. We used our drawing to figure out 3 swings are, oh no, hold on, I ran out of room, so I gotta start over. 3 swings are empty. So we've drawn a picture. We've drawn a number sentence and a statement. You should be doing the same thing. You should be doing the same thing. Thank you, Aaliyah. Beautiful. Thank you, Jacob. Kaylee. Thank you, Lauren. Lauren, make sure you write your statement. Thank you, Tyler. Thank you, Gabrielle and Amia. Amia and Lauren, y'all have so many points. Good grief. A lot of points y'all are collecting. Thank you, Kaden. Daniel, are you with us? Are you writing this? You're trying? Okay. Keep going. Thank you, Jacob. Good job. Okay, I think, Alexandra, did you finish? Yes? Oh, I didn't give you a point. Yes, Amia, did you have a question or were you giving me a thumbs up? I can't see you. Is it your hand that's up or your thumb, Amia?
I'm trying to ask you a question.
Okay. All I could see, look, this is what I could see you doing. It was just like this. So I didn't know if you were giving me a thumbs up or your hand was up. So make sure you put it like here, okay? What was your question?
Do we supposed to be drawing that?
Yes. But if you haven't started yet, it's okay. Don't start now because we're about to move on, okay? Alrighty. So yesterday and the day before, so Monday and Tuesday, we talked about all these addition strategies. I have it right here with me. I brought it with me so we could still look at it. So we talked about a 10 frame and drawing a picture and using counters and using your brain. Okay? So today we're going to be using all of those things and we're going to be comparing numbers, comparing addition problems. So let's look. I have to get out. I brought my counters home so that we could use these. So let me change. And since if you're at home, I don't really, at this point, you don't really need to write or draw anything. I think it is more important that you are paying attention. If I see that you're not paying attention, then I might ask you to write it, okay? So as long as your eyeballs are glued to the screen and I know that you're paying attention, then we can just watch. But if I see you start to play and it looks like you're not focused, I might ask you to start writing because that'll help you keep focused if you're struggling. Okay? So I'm going to get out all kind of different things. So really like the Halloween eraser. So I think I'm going to start there. Okay. So we're going to start. Let me change my camera so you'll see what I pick out. We're going to start with, ooh, look, I got, no, we're not going to use this. Okay. We've got, let me turn my light on. You can't see. Okay, that should be better. It says, boo. Did it scare you? No? Okay. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to do two different addition problems, and we're going to see if they match, if they're the same whole. Oh, goodness, I almost used the wrong marker. Okay, so what I'm going to do is draw a line down the middle of my paper that is blurry. Come on now. Okay. So here's this many plus this many. Then we're going to do this plus this. Okay. Here is my picture. Okay. You should be able to see how many. Okay. We're going to do it one at a time. So let's look over here. Using my picture, what's my number sentence going to be? Charmaine over here. Daniel over here. Charmaine, Earth to Charmaine. Okay, what's our number sentence going to be to match this picture? Lauren, what you think? How many boos do you see?
3.
Okay, 3 plus how many pumpkins?
1.
1. Good. All right, who can tell me what 3 plus 1 equals? Actually, let's everybody. Show me with your fingers. What is 3 plus 1? Show me with your fingers. Yes, our whole is 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Awesome. Let's look over here. How many Frankensteins? Jacob, can you give me this guy? Give me my number sentence for, Jacob, give me my number sentence for the Frankenstein and pizza.
2 and 2
2
plus 2
equals what?
4.
4. So is this 4? Is this also 4? You know what that's called? Those are called equal equations, which mean, or equal number sentences. We can write 3 plus 1 equals or is the same as 2 plus 2 because both of them equal how much? 4. Because we've talked about how there's all kind of different ways to find a number partner. But in this case, we have 3 plus 1 that equals 4, and we also have 2 plus 2 that equals 4. So 3 plus 1 equals or is the same as 2 plus 2. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to change it up. We're going to change it up, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to see if they're true number sentences, which means they match. Okay, let's change our pictures out. I don't think we're going to use the erasers this time. I think we're going to use something different. We're going to use bears and beans. Actually, we'll use bears and popcorn. All right, so here's my little bears. Okay. Here's my popcorn. Okay. There's one problem. Now we're going to have a different one. We're going to use okay. Here's my 2 addition problems. Now we have to figure out what the addition problem is to begin with. All right, let's look at this one. What's our addition problem for these bears and this piece of these popcorn? Kaylee, help us out.
2 plus 3 equals
3.
5.
Oh, equals 5. Excellent. All right, let's see. Daniel, can you help me out right here? Daniel, give me my number sentence for this picture. Unmute, Daniel.
1 plus
Count them.
3 equals 4.
4. Yeah. Oh, so 2 plus 3 equals 5.
Wow.
You-
Equals 4.
Yeah, 2 plus 3 equals 5, and 1 plus equals 4. Are those true number sentences? Is this true? 2 plus 3 equals 1 plus 3. Is that the same thing? No, because this one equals 5 and this one equals 4. So that is wrong. That one doesn't work. They're not the same. They're not the same. Do you see what I could do to make it true? What could I do? There's a couple things we could do. What could I do to make both of them equal 5 or both of them equal 4? Alexandria, what could I do?
Well, if you can make them 5, you can turn that 1 into a 2.
Ooh, okay. So I would need another what?
Into a 1.
What would I need another?
You would need another bear.
Okay, so I can take a bear and put it there, and like she's, ooh, that rhymed. A bear and put it there. I can make this 1. What'd you tell me, Alexandria?
Turn it into a 2.
Yeah, and now how many do I have?
You have 5.
I have 5 now. So now are these true number sentences?
Yeah.
Because 2 plus 3 equals or is the same as 2 plus 3. Excellent. All right, let's do another. Okay. Oh no, I'm getting blue marker everywhere. Okie dokie. This time we are going to use our beans. Okay, let's get these out the way. We're going to use beans and orange counters. Okay. So here's my beans. And here's my counters. And while I'm putting them out, you can start counting to see if you can figure out the number sentence before I ask for it, so that you would be completely ready to answer if I called on you. Okay. Should be counting to figure out what that number sentence is so that you're ready if I called on you. Let me straighten them up some. Let me straighten up our thing so that we can see it the best way we can. Okay, who? Oh yeah, can you help me with the first one? What's my number sentence here?
5 plus 1 equals 6.
Yes, 5 beans plus 1 orange counter equals 6 altogether. Okay, now I need to do this other one. Jacob, help me out.
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Oh, count again. 2 plus how many?
4.
Yes, equals what?
6.
Yes. Hey, Kaylee, are these true number sentences? Do they match?
Yeah.
Yes, because 5 plus 1 equals is the same as 2 plus 4 because they both equal how many? Show me with those fingers. They both equal 6. Good job. Excellent work. Okay, so it's only a true number sentence if they are the same whole. If your total is the same, they're a true number sentence. If they're not the same, so let's pretend I took this guy out. Okay, so now, so now it's 1 plus 4. And 1 plus 4 equals how many? 1 plus 4 more equals 5. Now I have 6 and 5. Are these true number sentences? Nope. They do not match. That would not work. Okay, so just like we've been talking about how different number partners can give you the same whole, that's what your work is about today, is finding out if they're the same, if they equal the same thing, and if not, how can we make it so that they do? All right, I'm going to give some points to my friends who have just been doing an excellent job staying focused and participating. Some of y'all keep collecting all these points because you continue to do an outstanding job. Okay. Thank you, Jacob and Aaliyah. You know, we have not seen Travis today. Thank you, Kaylee and Mia and Alexandria and Lauren. And we haven't seen TJ very much either. And Gabrielle. And Tyler. All right, the rest of us, we were being a little wiggly, a little off task. All right, I'm going to show you your assignment, then I'll show you your points, and then my friends, we are done for the day. All right. So we already said today's Wednesday. We click our schedule. It is Wednesday. We just did math. So we're about to do a lesson 17, problem set. We type in our name. Who do I want to be today? Today I will be Lauren. I'm going to press continue. And then patience is our friend. Patience. Wait again? Is that what she said? I think that was it. So we have to be patient and wait for it to pop up. While we're waiting, don't forget, tomorrow, wear your Spider-Man or favorite shirt. Either one will do. Look, Jacob's already ready. You gonna wear that again tomorrow, Jacob? Yeah? You just couldn't wait. I guess you just really... Oh, it's up. Yay. Okay. So here's your work for today. It's 3 pages. And look, they have fruit, where you're going to decide, is it equal or is it not? So you have different kinds of fruits. You'll count each one, make a number sentence. The next page, you're doing the same thing, but you have dots. So you'll make this into a number sentence. This is one part, this is the other part. All right, and then you are not finished until you get to Miss Harper's celebratory little person here. Okay. All right, here are your points. Let's make sure that they are correct. There's your points. So remember, after you do your math lesson that I just showed you guys, then you are done for the day. Make sure that you've done all those other assignments from earlier today. Okay, Aaliyah, did you want to ask something, or are you just scratching your head?
Can I leave now?
Yes, ma'am. Bye, Leah. Jacob, what was your question?
Can I trade in my points?
You want to trade in more points? How many do you have?
20.
What would you like? Do you know, or do you want me to read them to you?
Read them to me.
Okie dokie. So for 20 points, you could do show and tell, select a guest reader from home, or a mailed note from me.
Mail note from you.
Me? Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, I'll go ahead and do that. Yay. All right, let's redeem those points. 20. Note. I just put Kylie's together, so now I'll do yours. All right, Kaylee, what did you want to ask?
Let's say bye. I'm gonna go.
Okay, bye. Beth Alexandria?
Can I go now?
Yes, we're gonna go. I think we're all pretty tired today, huh? My head hurts, so I imagine y'all are probably tired too. All right, let's go ahead and say bye. I'll see you at 8:45 tomorrow morning. Bye. Have a good night. Wear your Spider-Man or your favorite shirt tomorrow.